friend. No, we're going to the old city of Thailand. It is called Ayuthaya. Come follow us.
Ay, naka-short mo ganing mga bata. Oh!
Let's go to the floating market.
Ay, floating market man dahil hindi.
Yes.
Alam.
You walk inside inside the market you buy tickets first.
If you're going to ride a boat, the entrance fee is 200
Ano sila dahil?
Okay, so we are in the float market, but there is an entrance of 200 baht,
Wow, ako na po lang.
and we thought that it's not dilingit-ngit. So here we're taking pictures, and we have our personal photographer. Yes. Hi. Hi. Okay, so we are here already. You want to see the old city, the old Thailand? Here it is. That is the old city. It looks like a little Cambodia, right? So there is an entrance here. The entrance here is 50 baht for foreigner. Yeah. Look at that. OOTD.
Napa-picture ko, babe. Parang anay ko, babe. Hi! So init.
Welcome to the old city. Now we are here. Children are free, but adults have to pay 50 baht. Here. Hey, Mom.
It's so init and it's...
I want to show you the gods with no heads. The reason why these gods has no more heads because the Burmese attacked the kingdom of Thailand, and they took the head of these idols because they thought that there are golds in there. So you want to see? Let's go.
There's one of them.
This head has gold inside, but actually there's no gold in it. Oh, it's so dusty. Let's start the the tour. Now let's continue the tour. Now in this one here, you can see the very steep stair going up because the king lives up there.
Sure?
So the king and queen coming down, and the people here below will say hallelujah. Okay, so now let's move on. So here, these are very old stones now. Before they allowed people to go up there, go up the stairs, but now this time they don't allow us anymore because they want to preserve the beauty of this ruined palace. This is the ruined city. So all around this palace you can see idols sitting, but has no more head. Yes. Over there, still taking picture. I think the king and queen here, when they walk up to their house, they will get tired. Cause look how many steps going up to their bedrooms.
In the 16th century.
Why their palace is in the highest. If that's the palace, Inday.
Huh? Temple.
This is a temple.
There's a temple.
This
Oy,
is a
alin na
temple.
mo!
Hoy, kadugay ay. So let's go there.
There's a picture pa.
Lagi. Tundok ang tani. It's just the same design. It is the same. There is one has left with head, and there are two. So here, these are monks. Okay. So the Burmese weren't able to take the heads of these idols. See? So
I think the reason why they wanted the gold is because you can see there's a little flake of gold there.
as you can see, right? I think they already have curated this one. Look, right?
Most
This one is
like,
not the original.
yeah.
Yeah, not the original. They already curated this because the original one is only bricks.
Oh.
Alright.
I was thinking that they painted it white, and then because the original paint up there is
I think
black.
that's wood,
It's wood.
right? It's not all stones. I thought everything stones, but it's all wood. There are some wood part.
You have to, you see, wood was used to stabilize. Now it's all metal.
Almost.
They left part of the head on. One of the more survivors.
Survivor.
This is a true survivor. Wow, the head is still on. The head is still on. More interesting facts from our factologist.
Factologist. A factologist. Well, the fact is, number one fact is, I don't know anything. I just heard. Yeah, you're here. Hallelujah. Okay, now we're about to go home. Let's save our battery for the next trip, for the next destination. And see. Okay, so come join us to our next destination again. Boom.